Hello friends, welcome back to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we're learning how to select voice recording track on Sony Vegas Pro. Okay, you can see here, I have one audio track, one video track. And if you have multiple audio tracks, then you can select any one of them for recording. This is the symbol. I'm showing that. I'm simply right click here and add an audio track. Then you can see here, if I click here, this will be start recording. And I click here, this will be start recording. So in this way, you can select which audio track you want to record your audio. So that's guys very simple tutorial. If you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as videos so you can easily watch, understand it. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.